Hi guys, in this activity you're going to need some baking soda, some food coloring and vinegar. Also, I got some spray bottles to make it easier for the boys to spray the vinegar onto the baking soda. Add the food coloring, then add the baking soda onto a container. In this case I have the buns tray. It was easier that way. And then you give the bottles with the vinegar in it and let them have fun. Simple, easy, and very cheap activity to get the boys entertained for a little while. So if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe for more, okay? Thank you very much. Bye!